Hi guys, today I will show you project number 8 from White Hat Junior. In this project, the story is that a spaceship is sent by our scientists to the other planet for research. And that spaceship is attacked by aliens or other objects on that planet. And we have to protect that spaceship from damaging through code. So, for this we have to follow this procedure. First is set scene as city night. You can set any scene you want. You should look like a planet. Because of that I have to city as night. Then next is set ground to cave. We will set the ground to cave. You can choose any of them. Then next is the player. So set player as spaceship. Here in the story there was spaceship because of that I have put all the relative terms for spaceship. Set speed very fast. We have set speed very fast of the spaceship because we have to pass through the obstacles really fast. Next is set obstacle as laser. It is the another planet, so we will put the obstacle as laser. Next is set speed to normal. Sorry guys, here it will be very fast. This speed will be very fast, not normal. Next is set a normal gap. We will set a normal gap. Then next is set gravity normal. If we put very high here or high, then our spaceship will not fly. And if we put very low gravity, then our spaceship will fly away into the air. Next is when click. Means when you will click, then flap a small amount. We will flap a small amount, not large amount, because if we will flap a large amount, it will go out of the screen. And next is when hit the ground, play sad sound and end game. Means when we will hit the ground, our spaceship will broke and it will play a sad sound in the background. Let's hear the sad sound. This sound will come when we will hit the ground. Then next is when we will hit the ground. One rule is that we the game will be over. So next is when hit an obstacle. When we will hit an obstacle, means the lasers, then we have to play crash sound and set score to 0. Now suppose if you are on 5, suppose if you are on 2, then how you will set score to 0? It will be minus 1 as 1. So the rule is that whatever score you will make, but if you hit that obstacle, then the score will again come to 0 to make that game interesting. When pass an obstacle means when you will pass the obstacle like laser, then play swoosh sound and score a point. You will score a point when you will pass through the gap of the laser. So this is a small project of 8th class. Let's check our game is working or not. First click the game. Now it is telling tap or click. We'll tap 1 minute. So touch the laser, and when it touched the laser, it was coming sad sound and our score was on 0. And when it touched the ground, it is coming game over. Let's see if it passes through the gap. See, 1 point. As soon as I touched to the laser again, it became 0. And as soon as I touched the ground again, it became game over. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.